I wanted to take a moment to show you how the class material is organized on our site. And I specifically want to show you how the content tab looks and why you may not be seeing very much content yet when there's a lot of material posted for the course. So on the left-hand side, you can see the short little course introduction that I did over the summer, and then an update that I posted today. And under announcements, you'll see updates about upcoming deadlines. Any information that needs to be shared will be posted there. On the right-hand side, you can see an activity feed, and you can use this to I might use it to post links to interesting stat sites or examples that you can use to further understand a new idea or concept. And then the content browser under here, where you can see, right now you can see the syllabus, Module 1, and the SPSS data files. If you click into Module 1, all you can see is Chapter 1, and that's because of the way the course is structured. And when you click onto Chapter 1, you see 4 pages. That's what these little pieces are. They show 4 web pages. And then a quiz, Learning Check 1.1. The way that the content is structured for each chapter is that at the end of a new section of material, several pages where I explain new concepts, maybe give you links to videos or websites that illustrate the concepts, and then maybe give examples of how to calculate as we move further in the course, will be followed by a learning check. And this is just a quick 1 or 2 question quiz that you have to complete to make sure that you understand what we've been covering. Once you've completed the learning check, you will then be able to see more content. So new material will appear after you have submitted that learning check quiz. As you finish the chapter, the next chapter will become available to you. I'm going to switch views here so that you can see what my view looks like. So once you have finished the learning check for Chapter 1, new material will appear below it. And so here, for Chapter 1, there's only 1 more page to look at, and then the Chapter 1 exercises. You cannot access Chapter 2 until you have turned in the Chapter 1 exercises, and those are also posted as a quiz. So you need to be able to go and submit that before you can then begin Chapter 2 content. So once you submit it, Chapter 2 content will appear in your module. You'll be able to see the Chapter 2 content and work through the same way. So you have a couple of slides with material on them, a learning check, a few more slides, another learning check, and then at the bottom, the chapter exercises. And you can't move from one chapter to another until you've turned in the chapter exercises, and you can't move within a chapter to new content until you've submitted the learning check quiz. This just makes sure that you're staying on track, and I know that you have went through the material in order.